This is Operational Manager Todd Nardoni from TNW News with the latest on Tropical Storm Grace and newly redesignated Tropical Storm Fred. Please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and YouTube, and Facebook for the latest hurricane information. Here is the latest information from the National Hurricane Center. As of 11 a.m., Sunday,
function.
please stand by. Open camera roll.
.GRACE remains disorganized while moving just south of Puerto Rico. A tropical storm warning is in effect for U.S. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, including Vieques and Culebra, Dominican Republic from the southern Haitian border to Samana. A tropical storm watch is in effect for north coast of the Dominican Republic from the Haitian border to Samana. Entire coast of Haiti. Tropical storm conditions are expected within portions of the warning areas in the U.S. Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico today, and in the Dominican Republic tonight and Monday. Tropical storm conditions are possible within the watch area in the Dominican Republic Monday, and in Haiti on Monday night. Interests elsewhere in the Turks and Caicos Islands, the southeastern Bahamas, and Cuba should monitor the progress of Grace. Additional watches and warnings could be required for some of these areas later today. For storm information specific to your area in the United States, including possible inland watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service Forecast Office, www.weather.gov. For storm information specific to your area outside of the United States, please monitor products issued by your National Meteorological Service. At 11 a.m. AST, the center of Tropical Storm Grace was located about 85 miles, 135 kilometers south of San Juan, Puerto Rico, and about 270 miles, 435 kilometers east-southeast of Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. It's moving toward the west-northwest near 16 miles per hour, 26 kilometers per hour. A continued west-northwestward motion at a slower forward speed is expected over the next few days. On the forecast track, the center of grace will move over Hispaniola on Monday, near or over eastern Cuba on Tuesday, and near or over west-central Cuba on Wednesday. Maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 35 miles, 55 kilometers, from the center. The estimated minimum central pressure is 1,010 megabytes, 29.83 inches. Some strengthening is forecast until Grace moves over Hispaniola on Monday. Weakening is forecast while the system crosses Hispaniola Monday and Monday night. Some re-strengthening could occur if the center moves back over water on Tuesday. The system is expected to produce the following rainfall amounts today into Tuesday. Virgin Islands, 3 to 6 inches. This rainfall may produce scattered areas of flash and urban flooding. Puerto Rico, 3 to 6 inches, with isolated higher amounts. Heavy rainfall could lead to flash, urban and small stream flooding, and possible mudslides. Haiti and the Dominican Republic, 4 to 8 inches with isolated maximum
which
totals
we
of
are
15
monitoring
inches
Haiti
across
right
southern
now.
terrain areas. Heavy rainfall could lead to flash and urban flooding and possible mudslides from Monday into Tuesday. By mid to late week, heavy rainfall from this system could impact portions of Cuba, the Bahamas, and Florida. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 5 p.m. AST with an intermediate advisory at 2 p.m. AST. www.hurricanes.gov.
The intermediate advisory at 2 p.m. can be found on our social media pages, and I will be back at 5 p.m. for the evening video update on Tropical Storm Grace or including Tropical Storm Fred. Remember to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and Twitter, and Facebook for the latest information. And you can follow our podcast at TNW News, wherever you get your favorite podcast from. I will see you back here at 5 p.m. for the 5 p.m. Tropical Storm Update. This has been Operational Manager Ty Nardoni, with your Tropical Storm Grace update on Sunday,